Hello everyone, I'm Potato Gordon here, and today I'm going to be a little bit quiet because I got sick and stuff. And I'm going to be a little bit quiet because my grandma is sleeping next door. Because where I'm at, there's only one room, and it's the bathroom. Um, there's room, but there's no wall. So today I'm going to be cooking with Chef Pink. Now I got everything pre-made, but I'll tell you how to make them, and yeah. So this is a cooking with Chef Pink. It's for I can cook like chicken and stuff, but I wanted to keep it simple for the little kids and stuff, because why not? Alright, so go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, so this is the table. First thing you're gonna need is cut cucumbers. Now I cut them a couple different styles. I cut them, where there's halves, and I cut them where they're kind of slanted, and I cut them where they're normal and stuff. So, I'll show you a different method. So, I'm going to start with a normal one. Now, and then before we get started, you're also going to need oatmeal. Now, on camera, this looks like a hot mess. I promise, but it's a little bit dry because I can water it down, but you want it just the slightest bit dry. Now, this is maple and brown sugar, and it's the pre-make where it's in a package and you just add water. So yeah, and you need some oatmeal and cucumbers. This is for like little kids and stuff, for like take for their lunches. So what you're gonna do is that you need to take well, take a hang on, you just take a ball of oatmeal and you stuff it right onto the thing, and you can add as much as you want, and then you just kind of like shape it on there, and then that's literally it. And you can make you can put them in lunch boxes, and the stuff slides off so easy, but you could wrap this up in saran wrap, or you could you could ask for a lunch, and you can do that, or you can send them oatmeal and you cut cucumbers and you can have them make it yourself. There's all different kinds of ways. And sorry about the permanent marker on the table. This is my personal table, but it's been wiped off and everything. Alright, so let me go ahead and try it. I've already had these, but, try it on camera. Sorry about the thing, but it's good. Cucumber's the best part. I love cucumbers. I love all fruits. I could become a vegetarian, but my mom won't let me. Oh yeah, um, I got, well, there's still ice in it, but I got lemon water. I use real lemons. I don't use lemon juice. And, well, that's how hot it is. And then turn it, and I leave the pits in. I leave the pits in just because I don't know why, but, and then once I get done, I save the pits. And you can't grow lemons here, but yeah. And I love lemonade with no sugar on it, because this is just plain lemon juice and water. And I just squirt the lemon juice right in there. I don't put just a whole lemon in there. So yeah, this is really good. Let me show you another thing you can do with cucumbers. Alright, so you're a little further up on the table because this could get a little bit messy if you don't have the proper thing. Yeah, or I just cleaned it off. You need bran flakes, like that. Peanut butter, crunchy or creamy. I'm using creamy because we don't have no crunchy. Personally, crunchy is my favorite. So yeah, and of course cucumbers. I like to use the slanted ones when I make, well, I don't make it, but I don't make it for, I make it for myself. Since, yeah. So what you need to do, pretty much, just apply, oh gosh, you can't see, hang on, let me, just a little bit, just apply peanut butter onto the cucumber. Thin or thick, I'm going to use a thin amount since I don't actually care too much for creamy peanut butter. So, but if, you know, creamy peanut butter sticks better. So yeah, do that. And then you just add your little bran flakes on. I like to make little crossways. As in, like, I don't really know. But you guys come up with your own thing. I just, like, you know, put them on there. You know. So yeah. Now, let's go to the taste test. I mean, like, I've already had all this, but, like, you know, want to make sure. So yeah, taste test. Looks like. I know it looks like a hot mess, but, you know, so. No, I don't have celery, but you can do the same thing with celery. Just put this stuff in the middle of the celery. I'm sure you've already heard that, but instead of using raisins, using bread flakes. Next. Alright, so this one is a little bit more, like, hard, if you would say. But, like, you need, like, 3/2 and a base. I'm going to use this kind of half-ish thing. It's not really half, but, like, yeah. See, it's not half, but it's, like, just, like, you take the tip off of it. Like, I hate the tip, but you just take the tip off. And what you need to do is that you take this and you use it as your base. Now, I like to make sure, like, I like to use a smaller base, but for when you just need a thicker base, because it depending on you think. So what you need to do is that you just need, it's kind of like combined of all three if you think about it, but here, I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So, extremely thin amount of peanut butter and cucumber. Like, see how you can, it's barely, I can't see. See how it's like barely on there? Yeah. I gotta stop in a minute, but then you need to add 1/2, and then, since it's dried, it's gonna be like, ew, but like, you know, because it's, yeah. And then you just need to find a piece that fits it, squish it all together. See, it's dried. It would usually squish, but since it's like extremely dry. And then you need to add even more peanut butter on top of the, gosh, just put a blob of peanut butter in it. Then you kind of like incline it like that. And then you see this? You're gonna stick it. Make sure it sticks with peanut butter. Now this one is like I don't know what. Let me spread the peanut butter on off camera. I'm sorry about that, but it's giving me troubles. So after you get the peanut butter spread on there, you want to slop it on there. Not slop it, but now this is kind of like just for fun, you know, but don't really know. Oh, okay, yeah. You know, and then you just put that on there and put a toothpick on right on top of that. go through it, but I don't have a toothpick, so let me try to taste test this. So here it is. Oh, it fell before I even got it off camera. But yeah, it's, yeah, and the peanut butter, I gotta put a little more oatmeal on this because the oatmeal fell on the floor. So, and then oatmeal and the peanut butter, and then the cucumber really complement each other. I love cucumbers. So. Despite corn, this is my favorite vegetable. I like broccoli and these flakes. So yeah, try these out for yourself. I'm sure you'll be sure to enjoy them. I don't know what else to say except whatever you do it pink style. No, but yeah, I guess this is it. Peace, peace, love. Bye.